Hi, I'm Matt from the Fix-It Specialists. In this video I'll be replacing the drum paddle on a Hotpoint washer dryer. Remember to work safely by disconnecting the appliance before attempting any repair. To get the old one off, I'm going to insert a small screwdriver into the third hole from the front on the drum paddle here. When I push down, it is depressing a locking tab in the drum to release the paddle. Make sure you lift the locking tab in the drum back up so it can connect to the new paddle. Fitting the new one should be easy. Slot it into position and push it back towards the back of the drum until it locks. But make sure you check it's not loose. Drum paddle on a Hotpoint washer dryer, done. Watch our other helpful videos and subscribe to our channel.